Guys, we have wiper replacement, rear wiper replacement. So this is how you're gonna change it. Okay, first you have to lift this one off, this one, with your two finger. Okay, like this. Okay, then it's off. Then you can now move this one freely. Okay, because if this one is not up, you cannot be able to move the wiper arm upward. Okay, just like this. So I'm going to show you. Okay, if this was on, so you cannot be able to lift it upward. So you have to remove this one. Okay, then with your one finger you can take it off. So to replace the new wiper, okay, you just only have to do is turn this one upside down like this, and then it could move out easily like that. Okay, now I have a new wiper. Okay, to replace it. Mapa. It's the same thing how you put it. Just you see this groove, snap it on there, bang and bang, and that's it. Now it's ready to go. Okay, so that's it, how you're gonna change your rear wiper blades. All right, thank you guys, bye bye.